Today we have a video from Cops and Karens, and the title of the video is Possessed Immigrants Attack Flight Attendants and Swallow Rosary Beads. Get the cops! Get the cops! There's a lot going on in there.
Shit.
Yeah,
Go ahead. Open it.
Get the cops!
Stand back! Move! You're about to get tased! You're gonna get tased!
This is 31-year-old Haitian immigrant delaying Augustine and his sister Magina moments after he kicked a flight attendant in the chest, launching her across the aisle. But now, with officers rushing to the scene, these two Haitian siblings were only getting started.
You don't stop! You're gonna get tased! Let him go! Let him go! Let him go!
Sir. Let him go. Ma'am, let him go.
Négatif, vous ne pas vu. S'il te plaît, Gouvernement. Pas de Dieu. Il est comment ça va faire.
You gotta let him go. You gotta let him go.
Ma'am,
you have to let him go.
Let him go, ma'am.
Ma'am, let go.
Ma'am, let go. Let go.
Ma'am, let go.
Go.
Ma'am, let go.
This time, you got 3 officers and a civilian with them.
Taser, man. What's going on here?
Let him go.
She ain't letting go.
She's been holding his hand throughout the entire episode. So they're together. They're together. No, she's been holding his hand. She's been holding his hand.
You have to get off of him. You have to get off of him, ma'am.
You have to
let him go. Sir, you okay? Are you okay, sir? Let him go.
Haitian immigrants, huh? Wow.
Let her go. Let her go. He won't let her go. Ma'am, you have to let him go. You have to let him go, ma'am. If you have to let him go.
Let's make sure this guy doesn't kick my officer. Que le sang de Jésus nous libère. Que le sang de Jésus nous protège. Que le sang de Jésus nous protège.
Let him go!
Je laisse faire de tout mon cœur. Je laisse de tout mon cœur. Mon milieu va faire ça là. Connaissez-vous. Si vous ne pouvez pas faire ça, mais Jésus. Pas quitter au premier. Pas quitter au fait ça. Mon milieu va de tout mon cœur. De tout mon cœur, mon milieu. Pas quitter au premier histoire.
Man, some shock therapy will get their ass together, man. They won't be holding on for too much longer.
You have to let them go. I got this. I've got the other hand.
I got his left arm.
Okay.
What do you want me to do?
But you have to get her off. She won't let go.
Can you try to yank her out?
Okay, I need.
Where's her other leg?
I got his left hand.
It's under the seat.
I got it. That's it. I don't want her to get hurt. There you go. Get her now.
La boule de Jésus-Christ. La boule
There you go.
Get her.
Get her off.
What
Get her off.
This is brother and sister acting like this? They holding on like they. Man, they a little too intimate, boy. For me, this is like a real close.
Let go! He's got his hair. He has her hair. Yeah. You got that, Sergeant?
As the two siblings cling desperately to each other, with a man holding onto his sister's hair, they're unaware that the officers are preparing to use whatever force necessary to separate them.
Okay, I got a clear shot for a taser. Not hers. Not her, yeah. Yeah, he's got her hair. Yeah, I go. I'm gonna tase him if he doesn't let go. Just get her restrained. I got her. Okay, just gotta get her off. It's the hair. I got the thumb. All right, that's it. All right, ready? Stand back. Stand by for taser.
Got his ass together, didn't it?
Okay, I'm gonna hit him
Why
again.
he grabbing her head though? Like, it look like it's coming out her head.
No. Let go! Let go of her hair!
Let go!
All right. There's a cut. They messed up. Okay. They should have got, by the time, all right, let me break it down. First off, I think that they are against using taser, right? I could be wrong, but it could come from above or supervisors or whatever, or maybe they had too many incidences where they've been using tasers or whatever the case may be. I could tell that it's actually frowned upon. Why I say that is because they took so long to actually use it. It's like they're at the point of where they really have no choice. Where you see other police departments or whatever the case may be, it's more lenient. Like, use it. They might use that within the first 2 minutes. Like, okay, we're going to ask you a couple times and we're going to get you together. They took so long to actually use it, which signals to me like it's actually not the norm, probably, or it's coming from above. Don't use it unless whatever. But when they did decide to use it, this is where they messed up. When you first get, for most people, when they get hit with a taser, it's their first time getting hit with a taser. They don't know what it feels like. So, for instance, when he's holding on to her hair, he gets hit with the taser for the first time. He tenses up, lets go. He's pretty much in shock. That is the time where you have to do it very quickly. Yank her out. But what happened was when he tased her, the cops was just looking at the officer that was tasing the guy. And by the time they relayed the message, get her out, the 5 seconds was up and he was already back grabbing her. So now when you tase him again, he knows what it feels like. So he's going to be able to still hang on and eat through it because he knows what it feels like. The first time you're in shock and your body is just going to whatever. But the second time you're used to it now. So you know what to expect.
Oh, please. Oh, Chris.
Unfreaking
As officers
believable.
wrestle for control and force the man down against the aisle floor, you can see rosary beads still gripped tightly in his hand. These are typically used as a traditional prayer tool, but as the struggle continues, those same beads will quickly take this incident in an alarming direction.
Te bénissons en cette heure. Oh, Christ, Verbe de Dieu, lumière de la lumière, ce commencement.
He's fighting.
You got too much wiggle room. You gotta one cuff him. You put the double cuffs.
Stop! Stop biting!
He's biting to something.
He's biting into the hair. It's in his hand.
Can you fix her hair?
He ripped her hair out of it.
Te bénissons en cette heure. Oh, Christ.
You hurt anywhere?
Verbe de Dieu.
You gotta drag him out. See if we can drag him out.
Okay. Grab that
Look at the chunk of hair he got from his sister.
Okay.
What the
I drop all kinds of stuff.
Watch his hair. Watch his hair. Watch his hair. All right. We got room to work now. All right. The probes. And those probes are in there. Good.
That's crazy.
Hold on. Let's see. Make sure.
I would say maybe roll him that way.
Okay. Let's roll him this way. What's this taser wire? Okay. Got it. Okay. We're gonna take a break. Breathe.
Let me get the cuff. Let me lock.
Double locking. I only have 2 probes. I don't know where that third probe is.
Get the bead out of his mouth. What are you doing?
Don't swallow. Don't swallow. Don't swallow. No swallowing. No swallowing. Open your mouth. Open your mouth.
Unfucking believable.
Open your mouth.
Unfucking believable. You're sitting there watching him. You see him try to grab it the first time. You take it out of his mouth or you spit it out of his mouth. You literally watched him swallow it. Look at this.
I only have 2 probes. I don't know where that third probe is.
Get it out of his mouth, move it out the way. Nope. You see him pick it up again. What the fuck are you looking at? You watching him fuck. What are you looking at?
Don't swallow. No swallowing. No swallowing. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Pressure point's not going to stop till you open your mouth. Spit it out. He's trying to ingest the rosary.
Spit it out, sir.
He's got pieces of the rosary in his mouth.
Spit it out.
Is he trying to eat that?
Yep.
What happened?
Okay, so right after takeoff, I think everybody heard he started to, I thought it was an epileptic seizure or something, because he sat right there. So I sat here, and I saw him, like, had a clear view of him there, and he started to, like, go like this. Like, his head was going, and I thought it was an epilepsy thing, and then it got louder and louder, right?
Yeah.
He was kicking his feet, and then he was saying stuff the whole time. I have no idea what he was saying. I don't know what language he speaks. I kind of started freaking out because it wasn't stopping. He was holding his, I have a video actually, but he was going like this. Like, he wasn't really looking. And then as soon as she asked, "Are you okay?" he was still sitting down. He never took his seatbelt off until we got here.
Okay.
He, like, lifted his leg up high and kicked her so hard in the chest.
Okay.
And then that was when we, like, panicked. And then I came back, like, I got so scared to go to the other.
Police then proceeded to question the woman, but that's when they realized they were just beginning to understand the severity of their delusions.
You good?
Huh?
You good?
Yeah, I'm good. You good?
I'm good.
So what happened?
What was praying?
Just praying.
Yes, that's a prayer because we were engaged. That's why we were praying.
Okay, so let me ask you a question. Why is his mouth bleeding? What happened next?
Because the evil was trying to take it down. Take it down. That's
They
why
actually showed me a video of what that young man was doing. Why was he acting like that?
we were praying.
You were praying and actually kicking stuff. Yeah.
We were praying. I was not kicking.
Well, you were.
The Lord was kicking.
So what about the whole incident with him kicking some lady in the chest? What happened to that? What was that about?
The Lord was kicking, not us. The Lord was kicking, not us. We were just a soldier.
Do you have an idea or you have a driver's license? You said you were praying. Please help me make that sense. Make sense in that because it didn't look like you were praying.
We were praying.
Okay. So
You need to believe that. Because there is some force.
See, here's the thing.
There
I'm not
is
trying
some
to cut you
force
off.
that is bigger than us.
You're no, ma'am. Okay,
Yes.
you're saying I need to
Yes.
believe it. I want to believe it. You're right. I got a whole plane full in there saying other things. So what happened?
They were trying to kick him down.
Kick who down?
My brother, they were trying to kick us out.
He's your brother.
Yes, he is my brother.
Okay.
He's my little brother, actually.
And your little brother?
Yes, from the tribe of Levi.
Okay. So
We're descendants of Abraham.
so when we asked you to let him go, why weren't you letting him go?
Because if I let go, the devil will eat me alive. That's why I did that.
Who?
The evil.
The devil will let. Okay. How did you end up in that position? How did
In the plane,
Right.
oh, we wanted to go to Miami and go home.
Okay.
So when we entered the plane and we feel something bad,
Okay.
so now we said we're gonna stop praying, and he hold my hand, and I needed to close my eyes all the time and believe. That's why.
Why did he have a big old clump of your hair?
Oh, he didn't want to let me go because that's why you guys didn't understand. If we stay together, we are strong together.
As far as I'm concerned, what's going to happen is you're going to talk. You're probably going to talk to the FBI lady. This happened in air. This is considered federal.
Okay.
Okay.
While the sister was eventually released, 31-year-old Augustine was turned over to the FBI and charged with interference with flight crew members, along with state charges including battery, willful obstruction of law enforcement officers, and criminal damage to property. Investigators also discovered he had no permanent U.S. address and was in the country on a visa, which expired while he sat in custody following his arrest. As of December 2025, Augustine remains confined at a federal medical center in Massachusetts, where he's undergoing mental health treatment in an attempt to restore his competence to stand trial in his ongoing federal case. There have been no reports yet regarding possible deportation.